Hello everyone, I'm Yogesh Pancha and we are studying engineering graphics. Our chapter computer aided drawing, in which in last lecture we have discussed about how to draw basic draw commands in AutoCAD software. Now in this lecture we go ahead and discuss about modified 2D commands of AutoCAD. These are the modified commands. Once you draw any drawing with the use of draw commands, and if you want to modify it, then for that purpose we can use modified commands. So these are the list of modified commands like erase command, which is used to erase the drawing. Copy command, if you draw one drawing and if you copy that drawing at another place, then you can copy. Mirror, offset commands, array commands, move, rotate, scale, stretch, trim, extend, break a point, break, joint, chamfer, fillet, and explode. Okay, so let us see with software AutoCAD in which how to draw a drawing with using modified commands. Okay, let us see. Start your AutoCAD 2011 or any version. This is our home screen. Now your left icons represents draw commands, right side represents modified commands. Today we will learn modified commands. So if you move your pointer here, this is our erase command. Next, copy command, mirror, offset, array, move, rotate, scale, stretch, trim, extend, break a point, break, join, chamfer, fillet, and explode. Okay. How to use erase command? Suppose I have one drawing of one rectangle. Okay, just if you want to erase this, select this command by pressing left button of mouse and just press here at icon of erase to delete the object. Suppose I have a rectangle and I want to draw a number of rectangles by copying command. Suppose I want to copy this rectangle, then first you select, okay, then press at copy icons, copy command. But command area you can specify base point. So you can press the base point of this rectangle. Suppose this left bottom is the base point, and move this rectangle at whenever we copy. Press 1, second, third, ortho mode off. This way you can copy your one drawing to anywhere. Escape to left the command. Okay. What is the application of mirror command? Suppose I have one drawing, this is one right angle triangle, and I want to mirror this triangle right side with reference to this vertical line. Then first of all you have to select a triangle and press at mirror command. Now specify first point of mirror line. So this is our mirror line, so you can select on that line first point and specify another point and just enter, you will get the mirror of this particular drawing. Suppose one horizontal line, and I want to mirror these two triangle at bottom side with reference to this horizontal line, and you have to select both the triangle, is mirror command, specify first reference line, second point, and just enter. So this is the application of mirror. Now offset command. So if you want to offset, suppose I have one line and I want to use offset command. Now specify the offset distance. Line set 50 mm. Just enter. Now select this line and press right side. Click right side, and this line is 50 mm offset of this line. If you want to draw another, then select and click. Select and left side click. So all lines 50 mm distance to each other. Next, move command. If you want to move any drawing in the working area, then select move and select the drawing, press enter, specify base point, so you can specify, click here, move right side, left side, upper side, bottom side, anywhere by using move command. Now how to use rotate command? So press rotate, select the object, suppose this is my object, and press enter, select base point, and give the rotation angle, suppose 45, press enter, whole object is inclined 45. Now suppose I have one rectangle of 100 mm length and 50 mm height. Use scale command to increase the size or decrease the size of given object. So press scale command, then select the object, enter, specify base point. Now the important is specify the scale factor. Suppose I want to double, triple of this particular rectangle, then give the scale factor. Suppose I insert 2, then enter. So our rectangle is double. This size is become 200 and the height is 100. If you want to reduce the size, then again you select the scale, select object, enter, specify base point, and scale factor 0.5 for half of the drawing. Stretch command, which is used to stretch the object crossed by a selected window or a polygon. Select this part only, okay, then press enter, specify base point which is fixed, and our drawing is stretch right side. So left part remains same, but it is stretched from right side. How to use trim command? Trim is used to remove the unnecessary lines. click on trim command, press on two lines, enter, and now you have to click on that line which you want to remove. Suppose I want to remove this line. Now how to use extend command? Extends object to meet the edges of outer object. Select extend command. Suppose I want to extend this line up to this horizontal line. Then press here, enter, and again press to extend the line. How to use break a point? This command is used to break your line from particular point. Suppose if I select this line, then this is one whole line from here to here, but I want to make a part of this line by adding one point on this particular line, and select a break a point command and click at which you want to break. First break. This line is broken in two lines. The opposite command of this breakpoint is join. Suppose I want to join these two lines. Just press join command, click one line, click on another line, and just enter. So now if you press on this line, the whole line is selected. And this is break. If you want to break a segment of line from any whole line, then just press on break, click one point, another point to remove the. Now how to use chamfer command? It is used to draw chamfer at particular degree at corners of square or rectangle. So I have 100 by 100 square and I want to use 10 mm and 45-degree chamfer at the corner, and press chamfer command, give angle A. Now chamfer distance 5, angle 45 degree. Now press at the corner 1 and 2. So we will get the chamfer of this 45-degree angle. Enter. Now select two lines at the corner 1 and 2 to get the chamfer. Press enter. 1, 2, enter. 1. This is the chamfer at the corner. Now how to use fillet command, which gives the radius at the corner. Suppose I have another square of 100 by 100. Use fillet command. Select first object or options radius. So give R, enter, give the radius, suppose 10 mm radius, then enter, select the object 1 and 2 lines of the corner. So there is one fillet.
Now press enter and select another two lines at the corner. Press enter, another two lines selected. Press enter, the last one. So this is fillet command to draw the fillet at the corners. Now last command is explode. Suppose this is one whole object, but if you want to explode these all the lines, then press explode, select the whole object and just enter. Now if you click on particular line, only that line is selected, so all the lines are explored with using this command. The opposite of this command is in draw menu, region command. Now at presently all lines are excluded, but if you want to rejoin it, then you can use this command region. Take a command, select the object, and press enter. Now all lines are in one region. So if you press any one line, the whole object is selected. But if you want to again explore, then press explore, select object, press enter. And all lines are separated like this. If you want to join all the lines in one object, then use region command, select object, and enter. So this is all about modified commands. You can do more practice for this.
Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.